Oof. Oof. Friends, today we will see the new game. So let's start. One, two, three. Okay. First dollar man will shot right now. Wow, second dollar man and who will win? One by one. Time is just 3 minutes. Time is 3 minutes. Okay. No, no, no. Sure. Wow. 2 by 3. 3 by 3. 3 by 3. 3 by 3. 3 by 4. Time is 3 minutes. 3 by 4. 4 by 4. 5 by 4. 5 by 5. 6. Jurat. Oof. 5 by 5. Time is less. Ish. 6 by 5. Ooh. Just win. 6 by 6. No, draw. Match is draw. And 6 draw, man. Yeah, thank you.